Oops. The sun is so strong today. It might get him sunburned. Never mind, not running home. Ran for 5 hours and only made 100 yuan. Forget it. No orders, going home. Wow. It's raining heavily. And he's nearsighted. Can't see clearly while driving. Yup. Dangerous. Forget it, going home. Didn't sleep well last night. Feeling super sleepy now. So tired. Nope. Gotta go home. Oh my. Why is it so jammed? Totally stuck. Really, a 20 yuan order for an hour's drive. Forget it. Home. It's Saturday today, sisters invited him for dinner and a movie. Ah. Forget it. Just enjoy the weekend. Heading home, it's the weekend already. Haven't had a break all week. Promised to rest one day a week, money can't be earned endlessly. Alright, going home to relax.